Hard days, cool nights, staring down at an empty cup like I'ma fill it up. All day, all night, 10 feet down, nearly my whole life, but I'll be rising up.
Yeah, I know the person in the mirror is not a perfect one. I look at him every day and think he's not enough. My life's a book that I don't really like to open up. I'm 26 but I feel like I live in chapter 1. I skimmed through it, I've been through it, they laugh at us. You think it's funny, yeah, laugh it up. I always felt like no one listens to me, that's how I grew up. Church is where I found
This bed don't feel the same, sleep, I've been losing it. Every day I think about you, really that's the truest shit. I pushed you right out of my life, was on some stupid shit. Wishing you were mine, cause now it kills me that you are his. Homies tell me get a grip, the right thing is what you just did. You about to be a superstar, did you forget that shit? Man, this to come up your moment, I mean like here it is. But it don't feel right, you're not here for me to share it with. You were my day one, you always stayed down. I'm going psycho like Base Motel where I stay now. I told you everything, nothing's what we say now. Ironic how this breakup has led me to a breakdown. And I'm the one to blame, you ain't do nothing wrong. Never thought I'd see the day that the one I love is gone. I'm not in my right mind, right girl, not the right time. Maybe we could be together in a different lifetime. Yeah. Through it all. Yeah, yeah, yeah. With every gorgeous face, that's the reason that my heart is in a broken state. I made mistakes, those decisions wish I could erase. Look what I've done, fucked around and put us in a grave. I see you moving on, I see you doing better. Thank you for the memories, it really was a pleasure. On some Bruno Mars shit, you really were my treasure. But it's whatever, cause I know you really gone forever. All the voices in my head been screaming lately. I'm like Gatsby, you like Daisy. Wish this was a movie, maybe. Wish that I could go back in time, make a couple changes, but I can't. So now we went from best of friends to fucking strangers. Was afraid of loving you, I was a victim to temptations, yeah. I fucked around and destroyed what we had created, yeah. Now I regret all the games that I was playing, yeah. I hope he's everything that I'm not, I'm just saying, yeah.
Spread my false and stop through it all, turn me down.
Yeah, yeah. Young Jerome.
Tell me I can do the caution that you only saw. It's the spirit within you.
Yeah.
For my people in the front, in the nosebleed section. This is for the headsets, loving the mix. My people in the front, all covered in spit. Batters in the box, suffer the pitch. Hilltop, hood, so up in this bitch. And we're the punk leaders, punks you can't beat us. We bump the pump meters, we drunk, your chumps need us. So jump with us, down the front in us. Your flavor, come get drunk with us. By now I should have had some land, some money in my hand, round about 50 grand, but I got nothing. I run runs in the bus, I keep suffering. Fuck the lights and the dust, you keep sniffing. That shit is for the punkers, that shit is for my bros, my people in the front row.
Around, they like no, I fell in love with the people in the front row. You know I looked around, they said no, I fell in love with the people in the front row.
Check it out. I got hip-hop taste buds. I wanna hear that bass when I make love. Wanna hear some lyrics when I wake up. Write rhymes to get me through a breakup. Like my whiskey straight, no chaser. Went through 50 breaks, no favor. Till I found this one and made the bass hook with the drum. My savior. Come back, tongue that sharp like a thumbtack. So tight, James the same. Get my foot back. One track, that residual noise, man, fuck that, we clean with the digital toys. I'm the Apache, you're failing to match me. Throw your hands in the air like you're hailing a taxi. I move to the front floor, you're stepping, now you're drunk, bro. This is for my peeps and the freaks in the front row.
Around, they said no, I fell in love with the people in the front row. You know I looked around, they said no, I fell in love with the people in the front row.
People don't complain if supper's in here and you in the front row or covered in beer. The club bonus don't say the place is wrecked, it's your fault. If the roof is on fire, it's an electrical fault. Man, I bet you a bolt when I bring it live like Friday night. 40 in my hoodie, I can hard eye. Get live on the